Hey guys, NappyMissy here. Let me just tell you, this hairdo was super easy. And girlfriend, boyfriend, I've been missing you guys, okay? Trust me, I haven't been on her, but I've been missing you. If I'm talking low, it's because people are still asleep. And obviously, I'm already trying to get this hair did. So yeah, I want to show you guys how to do this. Oh yeah, baby. Oh baby. Anyway, so yeah, I need to do that. And I'm going to do it on my stretched out hair. My hair has grown a bit since I've last seen you guys. In comparison to this, yeah, it's grown a bit. I got lots of grays going on there, but hey, who cares? Gray hair is the bomb diggity. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Alright, so I'm not going to do any straight parts or anything like that. If all of you have watched any of my other videos, I'm very lazy when it comes to parting. So I'm going to start with parting my hair with my finger on the side. Just a little bit here, like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. I mean, it's your preference. If you want to, my hair looks dry, guys, but it's really oily. Really oily, sorry. Yeah. So like I said, you could part if you like, it's up to you. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to twist this, because my hair is pretty much do you hear the traffic? Isn't it annoying? Oh, especially when I'm trying to record. So anyway, what you're gonna do is have a little piece there, twist it up, and I'm just gonna hold it for a bit while I do the rest of my hair. I'm just using an elastic. You could use a bobby pin if you wish, but I'm just putting it on once just to hold it. Then what I'm going to do is make a part going down like that. Okay guys, so that's done. It doesn't have to be perfect. I can't even see the part myself. And this is pretty much cleared out from my last twist out, because I put my hair in big twist so that it could clear it out for the next hairdo that I want to accomplish. So yeah, I'm going to get started, and I'm just going to twist, flat twist, going up. If you want, you can add some nice gels and things here, but I honestly can't be bothered. I'll add it after. So that's that, guys, for my first one. And what I'm going to do is take a bobby pin and I pin it. And that's that. You could do your sides after if you wish, because I'm going to do mine after. But yep, that's one down. Guys, we're going to do this going all the way around our head until we get to here, okay? So let's do that. I'm going to do it in really fast motion until I get to this side, okay? To make it quick. So yeah, bear with me, stay tuned. Bear with me, keep watching. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm back and I'm back and I'm back. So this is my last one, heard this. So that's that guys, that's all done. I can't be bothered with straight parts and all that because a sister ain't got no patience for that. So if you want with these big twists, you could either do it up like that and pin it. See, so you got a little, you know, well you don't want that to come up, but you could pin it like that if you like. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist mine into small twists and then let it dry and then you pick it up, okay? For this, I am going to use my water bottle and I am going to take out section by section just for my sanity. And I'm going to spray a bit of water because my hair is already so oily. I'm not using any more oil. No oil and no grease. So I'm just gonna use some water. And I'm going to do individual 2-strand twists. So guys, I'm back and what I done was, all I did was like twist all the loose hair. So all the loose hair is twisted. I spread it with water and obviously like I said, I already had hair grease and oils and edge control, whatever else mess was in my hair, right? So yeah, I just use water. But if your hair is dry and you haven't put all those things in it, put your leave-in conditioner. Oh yeah, I have that in my hair too. Put your leave-in conditioner, your oils, your grease, whatever you put in it with some water and twist it up. So now I am just gonna wait for this to dry and then I'm gonna pick it out and then I'm just gonna be a cute little mask because I haven't parted my hair, but yeah, it's gonna be a cute little shindig going on her, okay? So yeah guys, stay tuned for the finish look. All right, so I believe this is dry, so I'm just gonna pick it out now. There you have it. Just pin up what you want up. And that's it, guys. gonna take some edge control. I don't really use much of this, but I'm just gonna put it there. So guys, thanks for coming by NappyMissy 101, and of course don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you guys soon. Bye.